This wizard allows you to quickly create sentence-building activities on any topic. On each page, learners see words and punctuation that they can use to build a sentence. By clicking on each cell, the cell's content is sent to the message window.
Brings. Changes. To. Weather.
Students can listen to what they're writing,
Spring brings changes
add
to weather.
the required punctuation, and delete words if necessary. To support the sentence writing, each page can display the completed sentence in a pop-up. Learners can view the sentence and listen to it, and then proceed to write it.
Many states have more rain in spring. Many states have more rain in spring.
Let's see how to set up the activity. While in mouse mode, click on this cell to add your sentences. Open the label text window. Here you can directly type the sentences, 10 maximum, or paste a list of sentences from the clipboard. Just copy text from a document and paste it into the label text field. Remember to type each sentence on a different line. If you need to group words, like King Tut in this example, put the words in brackets, and they will be displayed in the same cell. Let's check the other options available. Words can be displayed in a different order. They can be in the same order as they appear in the sentence. They can be ordered alphabetically or be displayed randomly. You have the option to eliminate duplicates. There is also the option to show or not the completed sentence on each page. It's up to you to decide the type of support your learners need to be successful. You can select a different background color for the area where the cells are displayed. And of course, it's also possible to choose a different cell style for words and punctuation. Just right-click on the cells and change the style settings. Once you're finished, just select the Save and Go button. Give a name to your file and click Save. The activity will be published without the setup page, and you're ready to go. If you don't want to publish the activity right away and would like to edit your work later, instead of Save and Go, click the Save Work button. That's it. Very easy.